Hello foodies! Welcome to Foodies in Andhra, your one and only place to share all your love for food. And today we are gonna make cupcakes with buttercream frosting. Here are the ingredients, so let's get started. We'll be needing flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, oil, eggs, vanilla essence, icing sugar and butter. In a bowl, sieve all the dry ingredients together to make sure there's no lumps in the powder. Next to another bowl, add in eggs, oil, vanilla essence and milk and give it a very good mix. Time to add in the dry ingredients to the egg mixture. Make sure you give it a very gentle mix to make sure you don't get any powder on your face and you get an even smooth batter. Next, take a baking tray and line it up with cupcake liners. Scoop in the batter into the cupcake liners. Here I'll be needing just half a scoop. Bake in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes and let the cupcakes cool down. Time for the buttercream frosting. To a bowl, add in 1 cup of butter and beat it up nice and slowly to make it fluffy. Mix in icing sugar slowly to make sure it's well mixed up into the butter. Add in 2 teaspoons of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it one final mix. Here I've divided the icing sugar into 3 parts and added some food color and mix it up. Take a ziplock bag and tape the front and back ends on the edge of the bag. This makes sure that you have a very firm tip at the end. And now to make a start tip. Make 2 slits from the middle of the bag as shown. There's 1, there's 2. Open the bag up across and give it 1 more slit right to the middle. There you go, a start tip. Now scoop in the icing sugar into the bag. Make a round swirl at the end of the cupcakes, nice and slow and smooth. And make sure you lift it up at the end to make sure there's a perfect peak at the top. There you go. And next for a curb tip. Give a curvy cut at the end of the tip. Make sure you tape the ziplock bag too. Scoop in the icing sugar. Close it up. And now for the decoration. You could use this on any kind of cake. Make it as swirly as you want. You can use this on any kind of cake. And next for the tiny swirls. Make sure you rise the tip to make sure that you have a beautiful end. And next for a petal tip. Give a tiny slit at the end of the ziplock bag. Fill it up. And now for the petals. Give it a light twist and lift it up. Twist, twist. There you go. You can make as many designs as you want with these tip ends. You can make as many designs as you want with this kind of ends. Here's just a few. This is using a star tip. You can also mix two colors in with the ziplock to get the radiant effect. Decorate them with some sugar balls. There you have it, yummy and beautiful looking cupcakes. Hope you liked our video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Foodies in Andhra. Thank you.